Although price has been quite volatile, it's been in a clear channel that focuses on these portions. Then a Fibonacci time zone can be based on the duration of the last downswing, as can Fibonacci spirals and a Fibonacci wedge. Here's what maintaining a bullish stance in the channel could look like. That is, if the stronger resistance around 24 can be overcome due to the close proximity of the spiral and the wedge during the next 2 time zone intervals. The 18 to 16 range still offers decent potential for support. Though if price can close under the April 5th lows with increased volume, conditions can improve for short-term accelerations to the lower portions of the channel. Then onto the Solana chart, where there have been these developments towards a potential double top reversal, which has so far lacked the volume to back it up. For additional insights, put a Fibonacci time zone on the duration of the first downswing. Then the same horizontal levels can be reused from last time, followed by the Fibonacci spiral with this placement. For more on Fibonacci, chart patterns, and indicators, check out the hundreds of video tutorials I've already uploaded. In summary, price needs to stay over 172.50, then close over the spiral and get back over 183 to shift back towards a more neutral to bullish stance. On the other hand, if a double top reversal does complete, it will likely approximate the spiral down towards the 150s, where there would be decent potential for a bullish retracement during the interval from 13 to 21 of the Fibonacci time zone.